Hello my dear children, welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 9 whose title is A House, a Home. Children, in the last class, we learnt about the types of houses in this chapter. In today's class, we will be learning in details about this chapter further. So children, Now children, while learning this chapter, the first question that comes in our mind is, why do we need a house? Children, why do we need a house? Can't we stay on the streets? No, we cannot. Let's find out the reasons why do we need a house. Number one is, it gives shelter. Children, houses gives us shelter. It protects us from heat, cold, storm, rain and snow. Children, if we stay on the streets, can we be protected from heat, cold, rain, storm and snow? No, we will not be protected from all these. If we stay inside our home, then we will feel comfortable and we will be protected. Next, it protects us from wild or stray animals. Children, if we stay inside our houses, we will not be attacked by any wild or stray animals. Hence, we will be protected. Next, it protects us from thieves. So children, these are some of the reasons for which we need a house or a shelter. Now children, our next topic is a good house. Let's find out children, what are the characteristics or features of a good house. We cannot live here and there, isn't it? A good house has some features. Let's find out. Number one is, it should be located in clean area. Children, a good house must be located in a clean area, where the garbages are dumped, where flies are roaming around. If your house is placed next to it, then many kind of diseases can spread from there. So a house must be located in a clean area. Next, strong enough to protect us. Children, a good house should be strong enough to protect us from heat, cold, storm, snow, anything. Next, it should be open, airy, clean, spacious. Children, a house must be spacious, open, airy and clean. We cannot live inside a suffocated area, isn't it? So it must be spacious and clean. Next, it should have a proper drainage system. It's very important, children, that every house should have a proper drainage system. Next, it should have wire netted big windows to avoid flies. So children, flies and mosquito comes from the windows, isn't it? So every window should be wire netted so that flies and mosquitoes can be avoided to enter inside our house. Next, garden to keep area cool. Every good house should have a garden to keep the area cool, where we can plant many trees. Now, let's find out how to keep a house clean. There are certain rules and regulations we must follow to keep our houses clean. Let's find out those regulations and rules. Number one is, floors must be cleaned with mops and brooms regularly and every day. Children, the roofs, the floors, everything must be cleaned regularly. No dust particles should be allowed to stay on the floor. It may cause disease. Next, all belongings in the room must be cleaned to remove the dust. Children, there are many belongings present on the floor in a room, so every belonging should be removed properly and the dust must be cleaned properly. Next, dustbin must be cleaned with soap and disinfectant. Children, always remember dustbin contains all the garbages and the waste products which attract diseases through flies and mosquitoes. So, always remember to clean dustbins with disinfectants and soaps. Next, bathrooms should be washed with soaps. Children, we all have bathrooms and wash basins. So every day it should be cleaned and washed with soaps and disinfectant. Next, a house must be painted regularly. So with this we come to an end of this chapter. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.